to number 078.
My name is Osama Ramadani. My last digit number is 089.
I am Nindya Istiqomah with study ID 11C.
My name is Ivana with the student ID number 037.
First, my name is Arellia with student number 077.
We'll talk to you about draft mobile technology. Mobile technology is technology that goes where the user goes. It consists of portable two-way communication devices, computing devices, and the network technology that connects them. Currently, mobile technology is typified by internet-enabled devices like smartphones, tablets, and watches. These are the latest in a progression that includes two-way pagers, notebook computers, mobile telephones or flip phones, GPS navigation devices, and more. Mobile technology contains a software system that enables any user to perform mobility with the company's PDA. Equip digital assistant on a mobile or cellular phone. Mobile tech also an upgrade from the integrated software system commonly found on a PC's desktop. Stakeholders use mobility features in developing inherent location features and applications that are manufactured via micro-mobile chips. For example, there are several virtual assistants that we can use, such as Google Assistant for Google-based Gadget, Siri for Apple, and Bixby for Samsung. The next is cellular technology. Cellular technology is a technology in which the user uses cellular telephone for conducting related tasks with communication, like chat with friends, relatives, and others, and it is used to send data from one system to other. The technology has revolutionized the way people communicate in the world. Its application has widened over time and has gradually replaced other similar sources of communication in the market, such as post office and landline telephones. Cellular technology has evolved from simple telephone and texting devices to multitask systems that can be used for GPS navigation, internet browsing, gaming, and instant messaging, among others. With the increase of cellular technology, experts claim that the future of computer technology depends on wireless networks and mobile computing. Next is the features in draft and cellular technology. The first we got SMS or short messaging service. SMS is quickly gaining popularity around the world as a relatively low-cost messaging medium. Any text messages that is sent to a cell phone is known as SMS. Messages can usually be up to 140 characters long. SMS was originally developed for GSM phones, although it is now supported by all major cell phone networks. The next is MMS or multimedia messaging service. That is a standard method of delivering multimedia material, including messages. And then the next is G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. That is a technological access generation for accessing internet. And the next is GSM or Global System for Mobile Technology. Is a technology that is open and digital and used for mobile communication. And the next is CDMA. Multiple access, that is a channel access mechanism which also serves as a sample of multiple access. This is Wi-Fi or wireless network technology that allows us to connect to a network or to other computer or mobile devices via wireless channel. And the last is the pros and cons of draft and cellular technology. The advantages of cellular technology is no limited time of use and portable system, the help in determining choice or decision, instant resourceful amount of entertainment, high efficiency and effectiveness, and the main payment modes such as e-wallet and e-banking. The disadvantages of draft and cellular technology are high dependency on mobile or cellular technology, prone to threats from hackers and cybercrime, the loss of privacy, prices and cost of using said technology increases due to time, and the last is there's no intense physical and mental continuity due to the fast networks and high-tech devices. The next presentation will be continued by my friend Ivana.
Social networking apps are mobile applications that allow users to connect and interact with others virtually. These apps typically provide a platform for people to create profiles, share information, post updates, and communicate with their friends and followers. This virtual community has two platforms that help connect that community. There are BBS or Bulletin Board System and Usenet News Group. A BBS is a computer connect between a user where the use of a modem is essential, using a dial-up connection, often using telephone lines, and is used to read and view messages in public places and electronic bulletin boards. On the other hand, Usenet News Group are a platform or container where the attachment and distribution of messages between computers is configured for communities who have their own interests. In the business field, there are many social network apps that spread to the community. Some of them are LinkedIn, a professional networking app that allows users to connect with colleagues, showcase their skill and experience, and search for job opportunities. JobStreet an online job portal that focused on connecting job seekers with job opportunities in the Southeast Asia region. There are also Glints, a social networking app that focused on connecting young professionals with job opportunities, career advice, and learning resources in the Southeast Asia region, with also other similar apps. Social networking for shoppers can refer to online platform where people can connect with each other to share information, review, and recommendation about shopping products and services, such as Instagram, a visual social media platform where users can follow brands and influencers to get inspiration for fashion, home decor, and other shopping-related topics. Also, Pinterest, a platform where users can create boards and save images related to their interests, including shopping. Facebook Marketplace, a feature within Facebook where users can buy and sell goods with other members of the community. Also, TikTok, a short-form video app where users can watch and create content related to shopping, such as hauls and product review. It's worth noting that the popularity of these social networking apps may vary depending on the region and user preference. Social networking sites typically generate revenue through a variety of earning models. The first is advertising-supported social networking sites. Typically use targeted advertising where ads are displayed to users based on their interests, behavior, and demographic information. And the second is mixed revenue and fee for service social networking site, a platform that generates revenue through a combination of different earning models. And the third is fee-based social networking, refers to social networking platform that charge user a fee to access their service. And the fourth is micro-lending site, is a platform that provides small loans to individual entrepreneurs or small business that have limited access to traditional lending source. And the last is internal virtual communities, refer to online communities that are created for employees with an organization to connect, collaborate, and share information.
And now I'm going to explain about what is mobile commerce. So, first thing first, we should know about mobile commerce before we jump further into this material. So, mobile commerce, also known as m-commerce, involves using wireless handheld device like cell phones and tablet to conduct commercial transactions online, including the purchase and sale of products, online banking, and paying bill. Then, what is the difference between e-commerce and m-commerce? Do you know about the differences? If you don't know, let me explain about this. Electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to buying and selling goods and services over the internet. E-commerce can be conducted via a desktop computer, laptop, smartphone, or tablet, but it's typically associated with a computer in which a user has to find a location with an internet connection. Conversely, m-commerce specifically refers to transaction done via smartphone or mobile device. M-commerce users can transaction anywhere provided that there's a wireless internet provider available in that area. So, is there the differences between e-commerce and m-commerce? So, let's jump to the next slide. The next slide is about types of mobile commerce. So there is many types of mobile commerce. First, in-app purchases. The second is mobile browser transaction. Third is social commerce. Fourth, Fourth is live streaming shopping, live stream shopping, and then fifth is AR shopping. AR shopping is use the camera application to view and check products and service in a virtual environment. For example, the IKEA app for furniture or the I Buy Direct app. So there is an application named AI Buy Direct. Okay, next or the sixth is conversational commerce. Transaction using mobile apps. Okay, so there are 6 types of mobile commerce. Next, it's about mobile banking application most used by Indonesian for 2022. So the following are the mobile banking application most used by Indonesian for 2022 based on the result of the public survey. BCA Mobile was ranked first in the mobile banking application most used by respondents. The proportion will reach 60% in 2022. Meanwhile, the mobile banking application BRIMO or BRI Mobile, owned by Bank Rakyat Indonesia or BRI, won the second position with a total user of 26% of respondents, followed by Livin by Mandiri in third place, which is slightly different with a gain of 25%. The fourth position was won by BNI Mobile Banking with an achievement for 23%, followed by BSI Mobile in fifth position with a total user of 9% of respondents in 2022. In addition, sequentially in 6th to 10th position won by Octomobile, owned by Chimniaga, and Permata Mobile with a percentage of 5%. And next is BTN Mobile Banking with 4%, DG from Bank BJB, and D Mobile from Bank Danamon Bank with the same achievement of 2% each. So there is a proof that or the data about mobile banking application most used by Indonesian people. Yes, mobile banking is part of m-commerce. So yeah, I use this as a knowledge for us. Okay, next is this is last from me is pro and contra of mobile commerce system. The pro or the advantage of mobile commerce system is first, great customer experience, 2, insightful analytics, 3, navigation, 4th, push notification, 5th, quicker purchase, 6, customization, 7, reduced cost and high efficiencies. And also the advantage of this or the contra of commerce system. First is intuitive user interface costs more. 2 is risky investment. 3rd is security breach. 4th is content delivery method and difference. And 5th or last, fifth, last, smaller display spaces. Okay, and that's all from me. And next material will be delivered by my friend.
The first is about mobile site design types. There are the narrow and deep approach and the broad and shallow approach. The narrow and deep approach have the benefit of a little more options of each page, easy for user to make their choice, but many clicks required to achieve certain piece of information. The broad and shallow approach requires fewer clicks to reach the same piece of information, but the screen design has the potential to be anti-D. And the second is screen scrape design. Screen scraping is the act of copying information that shows on a digital display so it can be used for another purpose. Visual data can be collected as raw text from on-screen elements such as a text or image that appear on the desktop. In an application for a website, screen scraping can be performed automatically with a scraping program or manual with an individual extracting data. Screen scraping has a variety of uses, both ethical and unethical. Brief examples of both include either an app for banking, for gathering data from multiple accounts for a user, or for selling data from applications. A developer might be tempted to steal code from another application to make the process of development faster and easier for themselves. And the third is what is content management system, or as we know as CMS. A content management system is an application that is used to manage content, allowing multiple contributors to create, edit, and publish. Content in CMS is typically stored in a database and displayed in presentation layer based on set of templates like a website. The following are common functions of CMS. The first is content creation, allows user to easily create and format content. And the second is content storage, stores content in one place, is a consistent fashion. The third is workflows, assign permission for managing content based on rules such as authors, editors, and admins. And the next is publishing tells the software when the content should go live. And then the last is optimization helps you improve digital experience and learn from your content. The next slide is responsive versus adaptive web design. Responsive web design are built on a flexible grid, so whether a user is using a desktop, tablet, or mobile device, the user size element will remain constant and line up on that grid. For example, desktop designs usually use 12 columns, tablet will use 4 to 8 columns, and the phone will is displayed in 1 column. As the screen decreases in size, the elements stack up with each other. Then the adaptive web design has various fixed layout size. For example, when the website detects the available screen space, the website will choose the right screen layout settings on the user device. In adaptive web designs, browser size change will also have no effect on screen layout changes because it has become commonplace in this web design. A designer develops the most 6 common screen width, namely 33 to 12, 4, 7, 9, 100, and 160 pixels, and will continue to grow according to the screen resolution developed by mobile device manufacturer. Then, the advantage of responsive web design. The first is the design process takes less time. Responsive design creates consistency across all devices, which is critical to good user experience. Responsive web design is more popular, which is result in many templates to use. Then the weakness of responsive web design. Responsive sites take longer to load. The second is responsive web design requires more develop time because it has so many moving parts. Since responsive web design must be changeable to fit any screen, many adjustments and edits are made before the site is ready to go live. The last is moving elements in responsive web design, allowing images to distort or parts of text to be too wide or narrow. And then the advantage of adaptive web design is a faster page speed. UX designer has control over every layout and create optimal designs for every screen size. Due to multiple layouts, designers can add or decrease content for different sizes if they make sense in that field. And then the last is the disability or the weakness of adaptive web design is duplicate content on some sites can make user rankings in search engines.
Application security. Application security is the process of developing, adding, and testing security features within application to prevent security vulnerabilities against theirs, such as unauthorized access and modification. Application security is important because today applications are often available over various networks and connected to the cloud, increasing vulnerabilities to security that are breached. There is increasing pressure and incentive to not only ensure security at the network level but also within application themselves. One reason for this is because hackers are going after apps with their attacks more today than in the past. Application security testing can reveal weakness at the application level, helping to prevent these attacks. Different types of application security features include authentication, authorization, encryption, logging, and application security testing. Developers can also code the applications to record security vulnerabilities. Mobile development. Push notification allow for the delivery of targeted information for an apps to mobile device or desktop computer without a specific request from the apps. This means the apps doesn't have to be opened for the content to be delivered directly to the lock screen of the mobile device or to the notification dashboard. Sending push notification has become a must-have feature for a rich digital experience. They have a high value as a marketing tool which can be used to deliver customer target contact to a specific user to or to a user group that could correspond to a specific set of critical. Mm, Another typical use case is to use the push notification system to extend the app's experience so that it acts as a reminder or as a notifier engine for events related to the apps. Search is a fundamental mobile activity and a critical element of building a profitable apps or site. Users expect smooth in-apps experience when find a learning about products and they typically makes very quick judgment about apps value based on the quality of one or two set of search results. An excellent search facility should help you find what they want quick and easy. Well figure out of how to make it possible. Search is a primary function for an e-commerce apps or site and should be displayed prominently as it can be the faster route to discovery for users. Apps that do not have a prominently placed search box can use user frustration and slow the user down. Social media platform has become a significant part of our life. We spend hours and hours browsing through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. These platforms have become a crucial channel for increasing collaboration and sharing various connects. Its efficiency and innovative features have made it an essential market tool in the digital marketing space, and that it's what social media integration is all about. This is using this feature and opportunities to market your connect and brand name. Social media integration basically give your mobile apps easy access to various social media platforms. The users can easily upload and share the app's content on their respective social media accounts. It's not only allow them to share the information but also market your brand to a crowd of new and potential user. In view of this, you get the opportunity to convert new users into loyal and frequent visitors. It is a marketing goal and an opportunity that just cannot be missed. Until now, mobile application development company in India couldn't emphasize enough of the importance of social media integration for your mobile apps. But now things are changed for good.